me come to the issue of Rajmahal. What do you think of the issue of Rajmahal? Do you think that the Sheeshmahal controversy around the CM's house versus the Rajmahal allegation around the PM's residence will be the single biggest issue? So let's take you through what the responses are. 23% say yes, it will be overall. 23% say it would be the single biggest issue. But almost 6 out of 10 voters say no, it's not the biggest issue. 16% say it's exaggerated for political gain. And even amongst the BJP voters, 54% say Sheeshmahal versus Rajmahal cannot be the biggest issue. Now, there seems to be a big disconnect. Sanju Verma, if I hear BJP leaders, they're going hammer and tongs on the issue of Sheeshmahal, AAP countering that with Rajmahal, but 54% of BJP voters and 56% of overall voters are saying, no, this is not the main issue for them.
Rahul, let's get one thing very, very clear. Trying to build this narrative of Sheeshmahal versus Rajmahal, it is going to actually further undermine jo bachi khuchi credibility hai Arvind Kejriwal ki. I will tell you what the biggest issue is. The people of Delhi have wisened up to Kejriwal. The fact of the matter is that you had Sushma Swaraj, who was the BJP's chief minister. She had a great working relationship with the LG, who was from the Congress. We had Madan Lal Khurana, who was the CM from BJP. He had a great working relationship with an LG from the Congress. You had Sahib Singh Verma, who had a great relationship with the working, with the LG, who was from the Congress. मेरा ये पूछना है, अरविंद केजरीवाल की ना तो नजीब जंग से बनी, नजीब जंग was the LG. अरविंद केजरीवाल की ना तो अनिल बैजल से बनी, अनिल बैजल was the LG. अभी अरविंद केजरीवाल की वीके सक्सेना जो करंट LG हैं, उनके साथ नहीं बन रही. So my first point is, Arvind Kejriwal is unfit to govern. He does not understand the meaning of the word accountability. बदबूदार पानी दिल्ली वालों, LG की गलती है. जहरीली हवा, ये तो जी LG की गलती है. My leaders are all out on bail. Sanjay Singh, Satyendra Jain, Naresh Balya, Naresh Yadav, Jitendra Singh Tomar, Akhilesh Tripathi, Sharad Chauhan, संदीप कुमार, भग्गू वाला, रमन स्वामी, विजय सिंगला, किसकी गलती है? ये तो जी LG की गलती है. So Arvind Kejriwal needs to understand he cannot keep fooling the people. I want to say one thing. Arvind Kejriwal's biggest voter base is from the slum dwellings and from the clusters that were supposed to be rehabilitated. मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, जाकर संत विहार, जाकर कठपुतली कॉलोनी, जाकर पहाड़गंज, जाकर संगम विहार, जाकर मदनपुर खादड़, इन सब जगह में जाओ. पीपल आर सेइंग हमने तो 10-12 साल पहले डिपॉजिट दिए थे. किसी ने 50,000 दिए, किसी ने अरविंद केजरीवाल को 70,000 दिए, किसी ने 1 लाख दिए. गरीबों का 50,000 तक ये लोग गबन कर गए. They've gobbled the money belonging to poor slum dwellers, झुग्गी झोपड़ी वाले who were looking for
Yashwant Deshmukh, if you hear BJP leaders and if you hear the counter from AAP leaders, you'd think that Sheeshmahal or Rajmahal would be number one. But your data seems to suggest that about 56% of overall voters and voters cutting across different voting preferences, BJP, Congress, AAP, say no, this is not the biggest issue. We often don't see this kind of dissonance between what netas are saying and what voters are feeling. So why do netas keep picking on this issue when voters are clearly telling you it's not the most important for them?
I guess that they speak on both the ends, Rahul, because voters say that, okay, if you wanted to prove that our party is just like any other party, point is well taken. That much damage this issue has done, and that's point well taken. But beyond that, this is not the only issue that they would like to vote on. They would like to vote on many other schemes, the freebies and everything that Aam Aadmi Party has been given, good, bad or ugly, their fiscal the impact and all those kind of things is for intellectual debates, not for the people who are living on the bottom of the pyramid. And almost 35% of Delhi actually has a very low income group kind of pyramid out there. For them, these schemes and other things matter. So basically, now they have to basically start talking about what is that they are going to offer differently. Remember, Rahul, even Prime Minister had to say in his campaign that if the BJP wins, they are not going to take the freebies back. That was the impact. And you compare that to some time back when BJP was going all out against the Revdi culture. There was their main theme that we are against the Revdi culture. Compare that to this statement. So obviously there are other things. BJP knows very well that if they really want to cross that threshold of 45% vote in Delhi, they still need to convince a lot many people out there that if we come to power, not only we are going to continue with these freebies, we are going to increase it, as a top up of something else. That top up thing we haven't heard yet. I mean, I guess that when BJP comes out with their manifesto or something, I'm really looking forward to what exactly they have to have a counter offer to the BJP.
Siddharth Mishra, respond to the point that Yashwant makes, that whether it resonates in terms of impacting voter behavior or not, what the Sheeshmahal charge leveled by the BJP has done is to make voters realize or to drive home the point that AAP is no different from any other party. They said small gadi, small bangla, but they're staying in big gadis, big banglas. Jaise BJP and jaise Congress hai, amongst that lot is the Aam Aadmi Party. It is not decidedly different. Do you agree?
Yeah, that point is very well taken by Yashwant Deshmukh. But as I said, and what he had said earlier, that it adds value to the perception that it is no different. It is as corrupt, as bad, or as good, as honest as any other party. And if you will allow me, I will do a little fact correction on what Sanju Verma had said. Without any bias against BJP or for BJP, Shahab Singh Verma had a running battle with Tejinder Khanna, who was the LG, and as soon as BJP came to power in 96, Tejinder Khanna quit as LG of Delhi and Vijay Kapoor was appointed as LG of Delhi, and Sushma always worked with Vijay Kapoor, who was a BJP appointee. Incidentally, one name which she has not taken is Sheila Dikshit, who for good 6 years worked with the BJP appointed LG Vijay Kapoor, and they both had a very good warm relationship, not only with the LG, but also with the then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Home Minister Lal Krishna Advani, who was responsible for running Delhi. So that point should be, taken into consideration. That it depends on, it's just not one party which was responsible for warmth. Both the parties were working towards it. It has been very, very unfortunate that from day one, Aam Aadmi Party has tried to harp on the powers which were never there when you were contesting elections of Delhi. You always knew what were limitations of Delhi government. You could have worked within those limitations, performed well, delivered, as the predecessor governments had delivered in Delhi. They had delivered flyovers, they had delivered roads, they had delivered hospitals. As she rightly said, that some of these hospitals were built. You have not built a single hospital after 2000.
So, this charge that both Sanju Verma and Siddharth are leveling about hospitals, about medical colleges, about infrastructure, that your claims are much more than your reality. Let Jasmine respond to that.
Rahul, multiple falsehoods, not just by Sanju Verma, but Siddharth ji also. And let me correct them point by point, okay? This first charge that koi hospital, koi health infrastructure nahi bana. When we came to power in 2015, there were around 9,500 hospital beds. This is authorized data from the health department. I request India Today to go check it. Today, there are 14,500 beds, close to 50% capacity added in 10 years. It took 65 years to build 9,500 beds. We added 50% capacity. New hospital built in Aam Aadmi Party's rule. These hospitals were not there. In 10 years, the Ambedkar Nagar hospital has come up with 600 beds. The Buradi hospital has come with 700 beds. Indira Gandhi hospital was inaugurated in 2021 with 1,700 beds. We've set up new OPD blocks in existing hospitals. We've doubled the capacity of many hospitals. That is the way. Arun Asaf Ali, we have set up a new OPD block. Not just this, in primary care, not a single Mohalla clinic was there. Today, 550 Mohalla clinics are there. 2 crore patients visit Mohalla clinics every year. So, yes, sara kaam hua hai. And not just that. And let me correct this on the front ki nahi, same powers were there earlier. Mr. Siddharth Mishra, you know that the bureaucracy of Delhi always reported into the Chief Minister under Sheila Dikshit ji. Even the Supreme Court gave a constitutional bench verdict of 5-0, saying that in a democracy, the bureaucracy always ought to report into the Chief Minister. It is the Modi government and the BJP that cannot digest a loss or having a powerful Arvind Kejriwal and therefore took away these powers. Still, we have managed to deliver on health, education, free bijli, free pani, 24/7 electricity. Just go to Noida, just go to Uttar Pradesh. You will see power cuts. You will see no electric buses. You will not see the kind of metro
Okay,
network
Jasmine Shah, you
connectivity.
made
ये
some
सारा काम
points.
हुआ है.
I'm going to give Sanju Verma an opportunity to respond before I come to the next data set. Sanju Verma.
Thank you. First and foremost, let's get this very, very clear, Rahul. You know, I'm appalled that Arvind Kejriwal of late has been saying, हम तो जी महिला सम्मान योजना लेकर आए हैं, हम नारी शक्ति में विश्वास रखते हैं. Your audience needs to hear this. I will never get tired of saying this. Last year, CM House के अंदर Arvind Kejriwal was present. Arvind Kejriwal की धर्म पत्नी सुनीता केजरीवाल was present. राज्यसभा MP of the आम आदमी पार्टी स्वाति मालीवाल की दिन दिहाड़े जमकर पिटाई होती है by अरविंद केजरीवाल खास कॉन्फिडेंट विभव कुमार. स्वाति मालीवाल is getting beaten black and blue. अरविंद केजरीवाल के मुंह में तब दही जम गया, सुनीता केजरीवाल के मुंह में तब दही जम गया. Their spokespersons used to come on TV debates rather than condemning Bibhav Kumar. These people used to indulge in character assassination of Swati Maliwal. I challenge Jasmine Shah. Himmat hai? You are sitting on live television. Condemn Bibhav Kumar. Condemn the attitude of your boss Arvind Kejriwal.
I condemn this kind of liehood and falsehoods.
He did not even criticize Bibhav Kumar.
Every single thing Sanju Verma has said on air today is a complete lie. And I condemn this kind of lying.
Okay, Jasmine, let Sanju complete. Jasmine, let Sanju complete. I'll come back to you for a counter. Sanju, 20 more seconds.
Yes. No, I need my 40 seconds. He had a long campaign speech. Pehli baat, Swati Maliwal case is a glaring reminder to everybody. Arvind Kejriwal does not believe in Nari Shakti. Mahila Samman to dur ki baat hai. And this is the same Kejriwal. In court, there is an affidavit by the BJP. We were willing to sanction 2,406 crore for implementation of Ayushman Bharat in Delhi. And Kejriwal ने कहा नहीं, मैं आयुष्मान भारत को दिल्ली में implement नहीं करूंगा. And the same ढकोसलेबाज केजरीवाल today saying, मैं तो जी संजीवनी योजना लेकर आया हूँ. क्यों भाई? आयुष्मान भारत implement करने में आपको क्या दिक्कत थी?